You're gonna play with the mouse? Okay. Yeah, being submissive to a kick, okay. Yeah, I don't think he wants to play with you, bud. That's about as submissive as you can get, dog. Yeah, he's still not reacting.
Neither of them are.
You're not a cat. I know. Goodness. I know it hurts, buddy. He doesn't want to play with you.
This is all going to be in the video. I hope you know that.
Oh, this is embarrassing.
Your commentary is great.
Oh, goodness.
Release the toy.